Bah. Ada-ada aja. Anyway, here is my luggage. Saya baru balik kerja. Nampak nih luggage saya. Today was very tiring, but fun. Excuse me. Tidak pergi luar negara kah? Ada. Aduh, panasnya. Satu orang kah? Tidaklah. Good night, Shirley. Bye. Bye-bye. Dari remove makeup kah? Relax, ba. Siapa yang remove juga tuh? Relax. My god, are you my ex? Just kidding. Oh my god, who's your ex? Merepek lah kamu nih. Pergilah kamu tidur nih. Yang komen-komen tidak nih, pergilah tidur. Pergi tidur, please. Kamu masih banyak tenaga lagi. Lipstick apa? Jangan gatekeep. Sembarangan cakap-cakap saya gatekeep. Macam mau berjuta kali sudah saya spill. Saya tak boleh spill produk sini, nanti saya kena ban. Semenjak kenal kamu aku jadi legend. Thank you. Tunjuk gigi kau, kenapa? Rata pun. Apakah kau fetish gigi? Oh my god, takut. Gigi kau kenapa pergi depan? Jadi kau mau gigi pergi belakang? Memang gigi kita pergi depan pun. Kau ni aneh lah. Kau ni tidak normal. Are you okay, bra? Lens code apa? Ini honey brown. Bukan sudah gold. This one for AirAsia, we are not allowed to use gold accessories. So gini. Bab gigi jangan main. Kalau mau main gigi saya pun main lah. Oke, Jer. Tak buta kah pakai lens malam-malam? Kau nampak saya masih boleh melihat kan? Maksud dia tak buta. Kamu ni merepek lah malam-malam punya komen ni. Kamu mesti sudah mabuk kan? Pergilah tidur. Kamu ni benda yang kamu nampak pakai mata kamu pun kamu tanya. Tidak tidur pakai makeup kah? Sekarang saya tidur kah bangun? Mata kau tidak buta kah pakai lens? Kau nampak saya sekarang melihat kan? Saya dapat baca komen kamu kan? Maksudnya saya tidak buta lah. Penat ya? Tidak lah. Ada-ada aja. Anyway, here is my luggage. Saya baru balik kerja. Nampak nih luggage saya. Berat. Bukan satu. Nah kan baru habis kerja. Betul. Apa isi luggage? Ada makeup, Ada baju, ada uniform, ada kasut, ada gloves, dan banyak-banyak lagi lah. Kami mesti mau bawa barang yang full. Anyway, udah mampu mau bawa bergambar tadi. Kenapa? Bawa aja, saya oke aja. Saya oke. Lipstick apa yang pakai itu? Saya pakai Maybelline. Did you enjoy your flight? Thank you, Keteki. Oh my god. This is my perfume. Actually, it's Body Mist. Do you make a lot from Insta subscription? Actually, I don't know. 10 hari bulan ini ada flight duty BKI Cool, tak ada. Is that made? Yes. Tutor makeup besok boleh kah? Tak boleh, besok saya kerja. Oh my god, I forgot to eat this one. Tapi tak apa. We are on the same flight. Which flight? Tadi ada orang kenal saya dalam flight, and then they took video of me. I wanna see it. Please, kalau kamu ada rakam saya dalam flight, please let me see. I wanna see how I look like. Saya mau tengok macam mana saya punya muka. Nanti kalau ada bisa aku pengen jadi pramugari. Boleh, jadi aja. Maybelline yang mana? Maybelline Lip Matte Ink. You udah tak pakai Bare Miss punya lipis kah? Tak, sebab untuk kerja dia tak tahan. Kalau ini lipstick eye dari pukul 1 tau, dari pukul 1 petang sampai sekarang I tak touch up lagi. Kak, coba buang makeup kak. Kalau kau bagi saya duit baru saya buang. Oh my god, why should I listen to you? Makan pun udah hilang kah? Tak. Ini 3 layers, lipstick 3 layers. Maybelline 2 shade tu memang tidak transfer. Yang transfer ni lip gloss. Saya pakai lip gloss, lip oil, supaya nampak macam shiny, sebab saya punya makeup kan dia jenis matte. And then saya punya baju uniform pun matte, jadi semua lip saya dia glossy. Gitu. Tak hanya makeup Shelly. Makan jajan tengah malam patutlah gemuk. Why are you so jealous? Cakap je yang kau tu tidak berani makan malam. Well, saya berani makan jajan malam-malam. Tidak bah. Bye. Penatlah lawan pula layan kau ni. Pergilah tidur adik. I don't use setting spray. Saya give donat. Donat saja? Tak mau. Air Asia boleh short hair? Boleh. Boleh short hair, yang penting tidak lebih dari 3 jari paras ketiak. Cantiknya ya Banks, thank you. Siapa yang tanya pasal gitar, pasal X nih, pasal makeup, memang saya blok. Jangan spam komen. You pakai cushion Skintific saja? Tidak. No, I don't use I use Skintific for my concealer. For my foundation, I use Fenty Beauty foundation. How makeup stay even you don't use setting spray? I use setting powder. Yang penting dapat bergambar dengan Shirley tadi. Thank you. Till we meet again. I want to see the video. Can I? Anyway, real question, please. Because, how to say? Tidaklah, forgot. Shirley, you makan apa sampai putih? Makan Clorox. Macam opera sudah, tapi cantik. Thanks. Thank you very much. I take it as a compliment. Seen you at Gaya Street Market few months ago. Thank you, sir. Few months ago. Shirley selalu ke gym kah? Enggak, aku workout di rumah. Kak, ini mau tidur kah? Makeupnya enggak dihapus. Kamu lihat aku lagi mau tidur apa enggak? Enggak kan? When is your cheat day, Kak? Saturday and Sunday. First flight you pergi mana? Experience story. Okay, I'm gonna tell you my experience lah. So, before my first flight, so it's my SNY. My first flight, I forgot I went to what country. And then what happened on that flight is, first there was eight passengers gave me their number. So in a day I received 8 numbers, and then they asked me to contact them, but I didn't contact them lah. And then what happened again is I felt very dizzy because that was my first time flying in like long flight macam tu. So belum terbiasa, and then all good lah. The captain also nice, the crew also nice, and then my work also okay. But they keep asking me the question lah, safety question, and now was very hard. Okay, sometimes even when you are flying, you still have to learn, you still have to do revisions, because they will keep asking you the safety question. Oh my god, that's the scariest part before you go to flight. Yang penting announcement on top. Mana ada on top tuh? Lucu lah. Are you free to visit the cockpit car whenever you want to? No, we cannot go inside the cockpit unless the captain wants something, or like they want to go to the washroom, or they want to go to the lavatory, or they need something from us, or if you are SNY, sometimes they will give you the chance to sit in the cockpit and then see landing dengan take off, and it's a very new and different experience. Macam different feelings tau bila kau duduk di cockpit kan, bila kau duduk tempat di dalam pilot punya tempat tu, bila take off dengan landing cantik je lah. Dia sangat best, dia macam oh, this is how it feels, begitu. Apa kau buat selalu orang mengata pasal suara kau biar jatuh orang? I don't care. Actually, memang you pandai speaking dari dulu kata. I tak pandai English pun dulu. Satu hari berapa kali fly? 4 sektor, kadang 2 sektor, kadang 4 sektor. Macam hari ni 4 sektor. Contoh announcement lah. But I forgot how I do the announcement already. Because if like you are working, you will have that one personality that you bring when you are working. So that personality akan on bila kerja. Jadi macam mana sebut announcement tadi, saya lupa. Dia macam, dear guests, we have just landed at Kota Kinabalu International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated. You may now use your mobile phone or tablets in flight mode or connect to your mobile network. Do be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we would like to serve you again soon. Lupa. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Tuk Tuk, assisted by Senior First Officer Tetet and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for choosing AirAsia to your destination. Para tetamu yang dihormati, kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kota Kinabalu. Lupa. Assisted Pilot Syafiq, thank you. Dia masih ingat lagi. Itu je saya ingat. Lepas tu tak lah, lupa sudah. Kenapa Zizi ni? Belajar dulu panjang-panjang baru kau faham tu. Suara kepit.
Oh, kepit kah suara saya? Kepit? Ini baru kepit. Yang tadi tu normal, Zizi. Zizi?
Malas ya, pelik betul kau. Kau tak pernah dengar suara orang kepit kah? Kau tak pernah dengar suara perempuan? Oh my god, you're so kesian. Belum keluar rumah lagi kau ni. Mungkin dia expect sama macam tu kali kan? Tolonglah, itu baru kepit bra. Ini normal. Saya ada 3 suara. 1 Stanley, 1 normal, 1 kepit. Kalau Stanley macam ni, betul, mesti suara si Zizi macam ni.
Hei, Sisi asa kepit.
Mesti suara kau macam tu kan Zizi? Oh my god. Thank you for choosing AirAsia. Kenyang lah. Zizi dari tadi tuh dia coba cari salala. Itulah. Oh my god, I smells jealous. Zizi, I wanna tell you something. I hope you take this as a good advice lah. From me is you better stop minding people business. And actually, if you wanna hate me, then go ahead. But if you think that you can make my confidence become lower, you can make me lose my confidence. Saya mau jawab sama kau lah, tidak akan, because I went through a lot. Okay, kau punya hate macam ni, kalau mau dibandingkan, kau punya hate ni macam ni je tau, bawah ni je, tidak akan rasa apa-apa. Sebab saya sudah banyak dapat hate yang lagi teruk dari kau. So I'm used to it. So jadi kalau kau mau saya macam rasa apa dia nama dia, macam rasa macam panas kah, rasa macam kena mental kah, Zizi, janganlah, saya tidak akan juga. I know how to handle my emotion, I know how to handle hate comments, and I won't keep it to my heart. Okay, so my advice is, daripada kau benci-benci orang, bagus kau improve diri kau. Do something better. Hating on me or hating on someone won't make you better. Okay? Dengan kau macam tu kan, orang tidak akan rasa kau hebat kau. Dorang tidak akan cakap, hebat Zizi, hebat Zizi. Tidak. Jujurnya, orang akan rasa kesian dengan kau sebab kau beria. Kau beria mau hate comment, kau beria mau ada orang support kau untuk hate seseorang. Tapi sebenarnya benda tu negatif sih. Gitu. Pramugari memang mesti mau pakai makeup casually, atau nak makeup pun boleh, ndak boleh ya. Kau makeup tipis pun ndak boleh guys. Makeup pramugari, kalau kau jadi pramugari kau tak boleh makeup tipis. Kalau kau makeup tipis, it's like kami ada disiplin tau. Kalau pergi sekolah kan kita tak boleh pakai makeup, tapi kalau kau jadi pramugari, kalau kau pakai makeup yang tidak nampak pun, kau akan kena bagi warning letter. So that's why my makeup become very thick, because I don't want to get that warning letter. You know what? My grooming, they always puji my grooming macam cantik makeup Shirley. Sebab hari tu masa saya first masuk pramugari, makeup saya tipis tau. And then there was like, please add more color on your face. Shirley, this is not cabin crew makeup. So begitu, cabin crew memang makeup yang macam ni. Strict or, well, more beautiful in person. Oh my god, thank you. Why you haven't slept yet? Passenger? pramugari diorang ada juga ajar cara makeup kan? Ada. Dia macam kalau kami lah, kami akan makeup sendiri and then nanti kena cek makeup tu ngam ke tidak. Kalau tidak ngam, diorang akan suruh tambah gitu. Malindo tidak makeup tebal. Malindo apa? My Airline? Malindo tu airline apa? My Airline kah? Sama aja. Semua pramugari sama aja. Lipstick memang merah. Actually, yang kasih nampak kami punya makeup tebal tu sebab lipstick kami merah. Cuba kalau saya pakai makeup ni, tapi lipstick saya kasih warna pink pucat macam tu, nude kan, macam tidak akan nampak tebal. Sebab bibir merah ni dia akan buat kau punya makeup tu menyala gitu. Kalau kamu belajar makeup, nanti kamu akan faham. Warna tu memainkan peranan yang besar, especially warna bibir. Itulah kenapa kalau orang makeup dia punya macam mata ekstra. Kalau model, kalau kamu perasan, kalau mata dia ekstra dia akan kasih pucat di bibir. Kalau mata dia tu simple, dia akan kasih merah di bibir. Sebab bibir tu yang memainkan peranan. Begitu. Nanti kalau kamu belajar makeup, kamu faham lah tu. Because nak dapat talk much with you tadi, so here I am. Thank you. Lashes tebal macam mana? Kalau boleh, saya tak tahulah kalau airline lain, tapi kalau Air Asia, kamu lagi kepuk lagi diorang suka. Jadi macam eyelash tebal, rambut keli-keli, kepuk-kepuk lagi diorang suka. Tapi nampak tebal your makeup? Of course, memang tebal. Siapa cakap makeup saya tipis? Memang makeup saya tebal pun. Saya mesti buat makeup saya tahan dari pagi sampai malam sayang. Kalau tipis nanti tak tahan. Macam makeup pengantin begitu. Tebal kan? Sebab apa? Sebab dia membuat makeup tu tahan dari pagi sampai malam. Macam juga kami kerja. Kenapa kamu nampak ada beberapa pramugari, cabin crew, lepas malam-malam tu kamu nampak dia orang tidak fresh. Kamu nampak macam kenapa muka dia berminyak? Kenapa muka dia macam ni makeup dia? Sebab dia orang kurang pakai makeup. Tapi kalau kamu tanya makeup saya sampai malam okey. Sebab saya kasih tebal sikit. Sebab saya membuat dia tahan supaya kalau macam sibuk, saya tetap, kita mesti jaga penampilan guys. One thing about pramugari is we have to look for our appearance. Kita mesti mau tengok penampilan kita. Gitu. Jika kau tanya passenger saya yang lain, I don't even have time to touch up. Saya memang tidak masa untuk touch up. And I don't like to touch up di dalam flight sebab rasa lain. Jadi macam mana kalau kamu nampak saya di flight malam-malam, itulah tu makeup saya dari pagi sampai malam, begitulah tu. Saya langsung tidak kacau. Paling pun saya tambah lip gloss. Gitu je. Dari senyum bakal di flight PJB. Hello. Tips interview. Actually, there's no tips for interview actually. You just have to smile, confident, macam tu je. Aisyah ada cek bekas suka kah? Ada. What blusher by the way? This one I use from Makeover. Yang penting senyum, tak perlu touch up. Astaga, kau perasan juga kan saya senyum-senyum? Just now there was a lot of passenger tegur yang I really love your smile. Thank you. Malu lah, macam mau terbang. I've got a lot of question actually. Yes, please just ask me anything. You want to ask regarding the flight or what? Can you want to say anything? You want to ask anything? Just ask me. Napek? Can someone with braces be a stewardess? No, cannot. You have to remove your braces first, then you can go for the interview. Because they won't accept you if you still have your braces. Blusher code apa? Oh, my blusher is at my OMG. Yes, your smile nampak very genuine. Thank you. Asal comel. I forgot. Later I check. You nampak penat, Sherry. Memanglah penat. Sehari kerja, Beb. Tapi tak apa, sebab dari route dari KL ke mana sih? Saya tidak di KL. Saya di JB. Masa interview kena tanya apa? Masa interview saya kena tanya talent je. Why Asia always hiring? Is it psyching? Hi. Yes, because we have a lot of hub, like small hub. We have BKI, we have Langkawi, we have Penang, we have Sarawak, we have Johor, and also other hub. So why AirAsia always hiring is because AirAsia is a low cost airline. The best one of the best low cost airline. So banyak orang mau ikut AirAsia. Jadi banyaklah flight AirAsia. Kalau kita kurang orang, susah. I don't know how to explain. Saya takut salah explain. Buat tutor makeup. Lain kali lah, you guys should tengok depan-depan. Haha. Kenapa? Me too, I love your smile. Thank you. What do you use to have such a light skin? Asia left me semalam. Huh? Bolehkah kalau nak kredit PI tapi pergi interview je? That one I'm not sure, but macam ni lah my advice. Please improve your English before you go to interview, because we never know our luck. Kalau macam suddenly dorang terima kamu akan sangat susah masa training. Sebab training tu dia akan fully English, dan kalau kamu tidak pakai English masa training, kamu akan kena denda, kamu akan kena marah, kamu akan kamu akan ya macam tu lah, dia susah. Sebab semua English, training English, buku English, exam English, even daily conversation also we use English. Jadi please improve your English first before you go to interview. Kalau BI credit tu kan, tak credit kah, but you already know how to speak at least daily English, basic English. They will give you, there's one exam. Apa tu exam dia? TOEIC, exam TOEIC. Gitu. Masih tidak kesan luka di kaki, kamu jadi pramugari. Boleh je, asal tidak ketara. Improving it with you. Hai Kak, dah malam ni. Ayo hapus makeup and go to sleep. Bila lagi flight course? Yes, besok jam 6 malam. Besok flight saya malam, jadi tidur lambat pun tak apa. Can I know how much is the salary for the job? Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys since it's only 400 and half. So is it worth it to be a flight attendant? Actually, yes. And actually, it depends on your working hours. If your working hours is high, then your salary will be high because it depends on the sector. It depends on your hours. Actually, basic salary is still the same 1,500, but the high one is our I forgot. It's the commission. I'm gonna tell you, my first salary I got from AirAsia is 6,000 and more. 6,000 for a month. So is it worth it? Yes, it is very worth it. Yes, allowance. Sorry, commission, but allowance. Sister JB terbang kemana ya? Terbang pergi mana-mana aja. Thank you. Can we request for more flight hours? Actually, you can request for high flyers. That one you will have a lot of, you will get more hours, but it's very tiring because sometimes you only off for a day in a week, like that. And also, macam tu lah. But you can swap with others. You can swap your flight with others, so you will get more hours. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. By the way, what question you wanna ask me? I forgot to ask you what if our current basic 2K dan kena start balik at 1.5 kah? Yes. For a normal cabin crew, it's 1.5. But your allowance will be very high sometimes. Gitulah. If I sudah kerja banking, bolehkah I nak join jadi FA? I umur 25, gaji 4K. Boleh je, tapi diorang tak akan tengok pun. Even you are like Prime Minister kah, gaji 10,000 kah, kalau kau jadi flight attendant yang baru start, memang gaji akan tetap sama, gaji basic 15. Ada allowance untuk makeup kasih ya? Tidak. Tapi kalau kamu tak makeup bagus-bagus, if you don't like look at your grooming, kau tidak makeup bagus-bagus, kau punya uniform tidak cantik, kalau macam kamu tak kisah pasal appearance kamu, dia tidak akan mengganggu apa-apa di gaji, tapi kamu akan dapat warning letter. Kami panggil tu surat cinta. Kalau kamu dapat itu sangat susah, sebab dia masuk dalam rekod. So kamu kena jaga penampilan, jaga percakapan, dan lain-lain. Is height matter if nak jadi flight attendants? Yes. iPhone 16 worth it untuk you? Yes. Worth it sangat. It sounds so fun to be a flight attendant. What are the downsides? The downsides is your rest time will be very, miserable. It's like tak tentu. Sometimes you will sometimes today you will sleep at 8 p.m. and then wake up at 7 a.m. and then tomorrow you will wake up at 5 p.m. and then sleep at 9 a.m. So that's the downside actually, because you have to quickly adapt to your working environment. And also the downside is I also don't know. Because I don't know. English test berapa soalan dan kena betul berapa. For English test, masa interview tu you have to correct all. If I'm not mistaken lah, kalau English test tu mesti mau betul semua. Tapi kalau exam masa training, dia ada 40 soalan, boleh salah 2 saja. So it's very hard. I'm gonna show you my book. I'm gonna show you our book. Kejap ya. Kejap. Okay. This is just one subject. This only one subject. This one we only have 1 week, seminggu. Buku tebal macam ni, 1 minggu belajar, terus exam, soalan semua dalam buku, mesti bulat-bulat jawapan dalam buku. Boleh betul 2 soalan je. Boleh salah 2 soalan je. Untuk subjek ini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ada untuk for this subject, one subject, we have 3 trials and 4 real exam and 2 assessment. And then the assessment you have to like really buy book. It's very hard. What if we fail at training? So what happen when you wrong more than 2 questions? You will do 1 reset, only 1 reset, and if you fail again, then you will get terminated. If you get terminated, you have to pay for the bond. I'm not going to say the amount, but like it's more than 10,000. So macam tu, it's like a lot. And you see, dia langsung tiada ni, tiada kosong ya. So you have to remember everything. You have to like remember everything. Only for 1 subject tau. See, sampai saya conteng-conteng. Did you pass the first test? I passed every test. Thank God that I passed every test. I never go for receipt. Saya tak pernah pergi receipt. Saya pass semua exam. Syukurlah. Because that time I really like study very hard. Sometimes I didn't sleep just to study. Start bulan depan saya pula onboarding. Belum start lagi, stress pula sekarang. Tak lah, jangan stress. Okay je. Okay je. Just trust yourself. Jangan lupa berdoa. Jangan lupa minta doa sama parents. Dan belajar bagus-bagus. Everything gonna be okay. Kalau Rabun boleh apply ke? Boleh. And is it true you have to sit for exam every month? Not every month, okay? It's every week. Exam is every week. Sometimes once every 2 days. Okay, so it's like this. For our first subject, it's only 2 days, okay? 200 lebih muka surat, 2 hari jak belajar, lepas tu exam. Exam boleh salah 2 soalan, lepas jak exam besok dia subjek baru 2 hari, lepas tu exam. And then exam again, and then 4 days subject, it's like 500 pages something, and then exam again, and then tomorrow 1 week this subject only 1 week, okay? Like, is it hard though? I would say for me it's very hard. I don't know for other people, but for me it's very, very hard. But if you study well, you're gonna do it. You're gonna survive. You will survive. Just take it easy. Yes, very hard pun lepas. Yeah, that's what people said. If you put effort on something, it won't. How to say? It won't. You won't regret if you put effort into something. Senior cabin crew still exam ke? Still. Besok tidak kerja kah? Esok kerja pukul 7. Di mana you belajar English? Belajar sendiri. What batch are you from? I'm still very new. Yes, you also have salary from TikTok, right? Yang penting keep on smiling even tired, it suits you. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Today was very tiring, but after you keep on complimenting my job, I'm very happy. You also have salary from TikTok, right? Yes. I do a lot of job actually, because for a young person like me, and then because I'm the eldest daughter, right? I'm the eldest and the only one girl in my siblings. I have a really big responsibility I'm a sandwich generation. Even I'm only 19, I already paid half of my family financial. Faham kah? Macam I help my dad to pay something, and then I give money to my brother. Macam tu, I give money to my mom. So that's why I do a lot of job. Gitu. Macam tu lah. It's hard actually for like the eldest daughter. Macam tu. You means banyak commitments, yeah. Do you have any other plan if you quit your job from flight attendants? I actually wanna be a programmer, tapi I don't know. I wanna do business, but after I kumpul duit, then I wanna do business for my mom. Good luck in your life. Thank you. You earn on average berapa? Can I say it? I don't know if I can say it or not because saya nanti macam tidak sopan. But I will tell you guys lah my TikTok salary since 400 people lah, so I can tell you guys. Ini bukan mau cakap apa ya, I just want to share to you guys lah, bagi range ya actually. It depends on the job. Contoh, for this month, I got a lot of job. Last month also I got a lot of job. My iPhone 16, I bought this iPhone from my TikTok salary. And then, boleh kah cakap? It depends on the job lah. Sometimes, last month it reaches 10k. Last month sampai this month lebih 10k. So that's all I can tell you guys. I'm so sorry. Dollars? No, Malaysian ringgit. Cakap Melayu je lah kau Shirley, macam dah sudah kau jumpa cakap putus. Bukan, saya sedang fikir mau cakap macam mana sebab kalau bab duit kan macam saya tidak, how to say, I don't know how to talk if it's saya tak tahu lah kalau kamu faham ke tidak. Saya macam tak pandai cakap kalau bab duit. Gitu. Betul, dia kurang sopan kalau pasal gaji sebab nanti orang macam dia ni beria begitu. Sebenarnya saya mau share je. Gitu. Gitulah. And jangan cakap saya senang tau. Jangan cakap macam bagus socially, dia kerja pramugari, dia dapat duit di TikTok. It's actually very hard. During my training era, during my training time, sometimes I go back to home. I go back from training. Sometimes pukul 7 sampai rumah. Pukul 7 sampai pukul 12 saya belajar, revision. And then I sleep for a while. 3 a.m. I wake up again and do work. Jadi sekarang pun masa kan tidak bertentuan kan. Jadi kadang saya tidak rest, lepas tu saya buat kerja. It's not, kalau kamu jadi full time TikTokers, dia akan senang sebab dia senang je kerja ni. Kerja TikTok ni sangat senang. Tapi dia jadi tidak senang sebab saya sekali dengan pramugari. Pramugari kan kerja berjam-jam, puluh-puluh jam. So it's very hard lah. But actually it's worth it because I finally can hear from my parents that they are proud of me. Gitu. So if people hate me without any like reasonable punya reason, I won't keep it on myself sebab benda tu sudah banyak dapat endorsement kasih si TikTok. Betul. Thank you so much guys. So apa kamu mau buat, kamu buat je. It's okay. Actually dia memang tidak senang kalau mau sampai tahap begini, dia sangat tidak senang. Tapi kalau kamu mau try benda baru, kamu try je. Sebab kita tidak akan tahu apa yang akan kita dapat di future kalau kita tidak try benda tu. Coba kalau saya diam-diam di rumah aja macam ni, mesti saya tidak gini, mesti saya tidak gitu. Jadi apa kamu mau try, just try. You wanna go for this, you just try. As long as itu baik untuk kamu gitu. But sometimes we also need to do mistakes. Kita mesti perlu buat kesalahan untuk improve diri kita. Jadi jangan takut buat salah. Jangan takut macam, saya takut buat salah macam ni. Jangan. kesalahan tuh yang mengajar kita. Tuh, saya bagi tau kamu lah. Sekarang sewa rumah saya bayar sendiri. Makeup, skincare, baju, telepon, barang rumah, semua saya beli sendiri. Saya tidak minta parents duit, sudah. Saya bagi parents duit, macam tu. Jadi, kalau kamu ada benda kamu mau buat, just buat je. Yang penting kamu percaya, yang penting kamu selalu doa, selalu minta doa restu dari parents, macam tu. And everything will be okay. And do not listen to negative people. That is my forever ever tips for you guys. Kalau kamu mau try benda baru, jangan pernah dengar orang yang negatif. Orang yang negatif tuh, orang akan buat kamu down. Do not care. Do not listen to them like, oh my god, you don't give any benefit to me. Even kamu jatuh, contohlah kamu try benda tuh. Kalau kamu gagal kah, kamu lulus kah, orang tidak akan ada kaitan dengan hidup kamu. Kalau kamu berjaya kah, kamu gagal kah, orang tuh tidak akan hidup di kehidupan kamu. Jadi buat apa kamu kisah pasal dorang? Kenapa dengan sikit-sikit macam, kau ni tidak layak lah jadi macam ni, lepas tu kau dengar. Kalau kau layak pun, dia tidak akan buat apa-apa dalam hidup kau. Kalau kau dapat tu benda, itu semua akan pergi ke tempat kau. Kau yang akan rasa tu semua. Kalau kau takut untuk buat mistake, macam mana kau tahu tu benda salah kah betul? Macam tu. Please, just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Don't listen to other people. Okay. Please. That's all. Anything you guys wanna ask? I'm very jealous of you because you are mentally strong and I think you're lucky. No. Everyone is the same. I went through a lot. And there was one point where I really lost myself. I went to psychiatrist almost every day and I almost take medicine. Macam mana tu? I don't know how to pronounce. I forgot, sorry. Saya ambil ubat. Saya tak ambil ubat lah. Tapi, gitulah. Apa tadi Shirley mau cakap? Lupa. Kenapa saya boleh jadi macam ni? Sebab saya berani untuk try benda baru. Gitulah. Buku yang you study tu berapa soalan? 40 questions only. Tebal macam ni 40 soalan je. Jadi kau tidak tahu mana satu keluar. Itu yang bikin penat belajar tu. Sebab kau tidak dapat teka soalan mana yang keluar. Selalu down sebab negative people. I'm so sorry to say this. I just want to give you the motivation. Actually kan, kamu tidak akan down sebab negative people tau. Sorry, this will sound a bit toxic, tapi this is the truth. Kita tidak akan down sebab orang yang negatif. Sebenarnya kita yang negatif tau. Kamu yang negatif. Sebab bila kamu positif, orang lontarkan perkataan negatif sama kamu, kamu tidak akan kisah. Kamu tidak akan peduli dan kamu akan take it, but in positive way, in positive side. Bila orang macam contoh kau cakap, how to say macam saya lah, tebal loh makeup kau. Tapi saya tidak dengar negatif dia. Saya tidak akan cakap, ya kau tebal kan makeup saya insecure lah. Saya ambil yang positif. Saya akan cakap macam, this is my work, I have to wear tebal-tebal punya makeup. I take the positive way. Jadi saya tidak akan down. Itu juga yang perlu kau buat. Bila orang kasih kau negatif, kau ambil positif. Kalau kau dengar negatif, kau akan jadi negatif. Macam tu. I have too many kekurangan sampai orang keep on mocking. Everyone has their own flaws. Even me. Saya pun ada kekurangan. Why you care about other people? Why you care? This is me. This how Tuhan cipta saya. Memang macam tu kan? Then why you care so much? Biarlah dorang. Cuma kau saja yang tahu diri kau. If you let people to control your life, I don't know, saya tak tahu sebenarnya mau bagi motivation sama orang macam ni. Sebab once you let people to control your life will be very, very miserable, I swear. Don't let people to control your life. Don't let people to lose your confidence. Kalau sudah pernah ikut FA tapi terminated terus mau ikut lagi next time masih boleh kah? Boleh, tapi perlu bayar bond, perlu bayar pampasan. Kalau tidak silap saya untuk MES 24.000, untuk AirAsia 14.000. Kalau kau tidak bayar tuh, kau akan kena blacklist dari semua airline di Malaysia. Gitu. Macam mana kamu bangunkan semangat kamu balik lepas diviralkan lepas Miss Crocker Ranch hari itu? Actually one thing yang saya bersyukur sebab Miss Crocker Ranch tu yang buat mental saya kuat tau. Sebab saya kena hate yang bertubi-tubi. Tapi saya okay. Macam mana saya gain balik kah? I just accept the truth lah. If I look like that, then memang begitu. Kalau kamu nampak saya macam tu, memang begitulah. Saya pun terkejut tengok muka saya. Saya pun terkejut tengok muka saya di Crocker Ranch macam tu. So, it's okay lah. Itu benda yang betul. Kalau orang rasa macam suara saya tu terkepit, suara saya macam cicak terjepit kah, muka saya macam ni kah, muka saya macam tu kah, I just accept the truth lah. I cannot control people mind. I cannot control people mouth. Gitu. That's how I gain back my confidence. Blacklist as in tidak boleh naik flight or cannot apply for flight attendant. Gitu. By the way, grammar win. Sorry, because sebab saya bercakap-cakap jadi I don't care about the grammar anymore. Anda sakit ke mataku gunakan selama mati? Tidak juga. Tapi mau buka lah sudah nih. Mau tidur sudah. Bye-bye, mau mandi. Bye-bye, good night. Thank you for watching. Bye.